Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G14 and let me share with you how to enable the night light or eye comfort mode. So I'd like to start this video with the fastest way to actually turn on and off this mode, and after that I'll show you how to customize it. So let's begin with unrolling the top bar. We have to unroll it fully to see all of those options here, and let's go right to find the night light, because this is the name of the eye comfort mode in this device. If you cannot see the night light right here, no worries, probably we'll have to start with the customization and the night light will automatically appear right here, or if you want to do it manually, just tap on this pencil icon. You can scroll down, find the night light somewhere here, and simply tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to this first section so it will appear on the kind of status bar or this panel. So to turn it on fastly, simply tap on it, and as you can see, the screen immediately turns to this yellowish colors. It is because that your device starts to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light. So if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this option, because your device will not paint that much. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just tap on it and the screen gets back to its normal state. And if you want to customize it, you can tap on it and hold this item, this icon, and your device should automatically transfer you to proper options. However, I'd like to show you a full path of how to get there in case that your device will not open this option automatically. So all we have to do right now is to enter the settings, and here in this section, let's simply find the display. Now we have to scroll to find the night light. As you can see, you can turn it on right here just by tapping on this switcher, and you can customize it just by tapping on this whole option to enter it. Alright, so after turning it on, we can change the intensity of that feature just by using this switcher. By going to the left, we can make it a little bit cooler, and by going to the right, a little bit warmer. So basically it's up to you. You can customize it just like you want to. You can also schedule the features. So after tapping on this option, we've got 3 different kind of modes or settings. The none option is the manual option, so basically you will have to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so basically you can pick the start and the end time, and your device will turn on this option whenever it will be between those hours. Or you can pick the turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here basically your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is, I believe, location based, so it will automatically apply the night light whenever needed, whenever possible. So it's of course up to you which option you want to use. I prefer none. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.